Assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing today? A very warm good morning to all. I am Salsabeel Kobattay. I am a student. I am pursuing class 12th at Anjuman Pre-University College, Bhatkal in Karnataka. Ramadan is special for many reasons. We will be talking about it as the weeks come and go. But one thing that Allah Rabbul Izzah specifies Ramadan for, it is the fact that this is the month in which the Quran came. قال تعالى شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن. This is the month of the Ramadan in which the Quran came down. Allah Rabbul Izzah says, young ones, listen carefully. On this planet, there is nothing more valuable than the Quran. Not its diamonds, not its gold, not its oil, not its money, not its buildings, not its power, not its offices, not the one most valuable treasure that we own is the Quran. But why is the Quran so grand? Number one, it is not the word of another writer. It is not the word of a scholar. It is not the word of a professor. It is not the word of a president. It is not the word of a king. It is the word of Allah Rabbul Izzah. Listen to what Allah Rabbul Izzah says. تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى. This is the word, the revelation of the one who created the earth and the heaven up high. Allah Rabbul Izzah says, تنزيلا من الرحمن الرحيم. This is the revelation of the one who was most kind and most merciful. Then Allah Rabbul Izzah says, this is the revelation min hakimin khabir, of the one who was 100% wise, like all wise and all aware. This is the word of Allah Rabbul Izzah. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillah.